my name is Eva, and today we're going to be talking about how to convert your media fill from a plate pourer to a tube filler. So the first thing we're going to need to do is remove all of the plate pouring components from the system. So the first item that we're going to remove is the carousel. When we're picking up the carousel, we want to make sure to place our hands in between these blue spacers on either side because these are the weight-bearing portions of the carousel. So I'll just lift that out of position just like that and set it aside. And then I'll just remove the lid from the instrument. And then finally, I'll just pop the revolver out. So now we're ready to start attaching our tube filling components. So the first item that we're going to attach is the base of the arm. If we look at the bottom of the base, we'll see that it has these teeth all around it and this one placeholder here for the locking pin. So what we're going to do is just place this onto where the revolver went and turn it until it finds its home in the locking pin. The next thing we're going to do is attach the main rod of the arm. We'll see if we look at the side, the arm has these two little beads sticking out of it. This end is going to go down into the base of the arm first. So I'll just slide that into position and then turn this screw to secure it into place. After that, we're just going to put the base plate onto the system, exactly where the carousel went in no specific orientation. Once that's in place, now we're ready to attach the secondary portion of the arm. With the screw facing the back of the system, we're just going to slide that down. Make sure the screw is all the way unscrewed before you put the arm onto the rod. Then just slide that down and then turn the screw clockwise until it's securely on the arm. So now we're ready to attach our tubing. Once again, make sure that this screw is also all the way unscrewed before you put the nozzle on. So just take the nozzle and slide it down into this groove and then turn the screw counterclockwise to secure it into position. And now we're going to take the slack tubing and just slide it into the side of the arm. And now we have a fully functional tube filler.